Hey Charmers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I created this look that I had on for February's photo shoot. We went for effortless, glowy, bronzy, and if you wanna see how I created this look, then keep on watching. All right, Charmers, so to begin this effortless, glowy look, I'm gonna take the No Pore Blim Primer from Touch in Soul. You get it? Pore Blim, like problem. So we're gonna use this on our face to prime it before we start our whole look. I like to first apply it on the back of my hand, mix it up, and then apply it all over my face, cover up my pores. Now moving on to foundation, I'm gonna be using the Born This Way from Too Faced, and I am in the shade Seashell, and I'm just gonna take a blender and apply this all over my face. Next is concealer, and I'm also pairing it with the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. Apply a little bit under my eyes just to brighten up my under eyes. And I also like to apply it right here to the center of my forehead to brighten up that, on the bridge of my nose. A little bit here where I get red throughout the day, and on my chin. And now we're gonna quickly blend this out. So it's time to set our whole face, and to achieve this whole look, I use everything on my face with Too Faced. This is their translucent setting powder, and I'm gonna take that same sponge that we were using and press on it here and apply it all under my eyes and everywhere basically that we have highlighted our face. So I'm gonna dip into that and just set under my eyes. Moving on to eyes, we're gonna use this Nude Stick Copper Foil shade. This is the Magnetic Luminous Eye Color that some of you Charmers might receive in this month's box. And we're gonna cover our whole eyelid with it. Okay, I look crazy guys, but don't worry, we're gonna blend this out. And to blend this out, we're actually gonna go into the Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee that some of you Charmers might be receiving in this month's box. And I'm actually gonna use this as a transition color on my crease to blend out this copper foil shade we used on our eyes. Taking the same nude stick in this copper shade, I'm gonna smudge this on my lower lash line. Going back into the Pretty Vulgar bronzing shade, we're just gonna smudge that on our lower lash line as well to blend in the copper shade. All right, Charmers, so this look doesn't need lashes because we got our Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara, and this is what I'm gonna apply on my lashes. And the trick to make your eyelashes look super long and curled is to tug at the root and push up. And this is gonna give your lashes a lot of volume and length. Now we're done with our eyes and our mascara's on, and now I'm gonna bronze up my whole face, going back in with that Pretty Vulgar Bronzed Bee. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm just gonna bronze up my face since we're going for a bronzed, glowy, effortless look. So now it's time to glow up my face. I'm gonna go in with the Pretty Vulgar. This is the Shimmering Swan shade. So if you didn't get the bronzer, you might have gotten the highlighter. There was a couple different shades. I'm gonna go in with this one, which is a rosy, pinky highlight shade. I like to apply some right here on my forehead so when the light hits, since we're gonna be shooting today, you can see all the glow all over my face. A little bit on the nose, and the Cupid's bow. Look how pigmented this is, guys. No setting spray. Taking the same shade, I'm gonna go into my inner corner to get the inner corner highlight, as well as on my brow bone. Moving on to lips, I'm gonna go in with the Trustique. This is the Prime and Color Lip Glaze in the shade English Rose. So there's actually a primer in here. Some of you are probably gonna get this in your box this month. So I'm gonna prime my lips first, get them nice and soft. Pop that back in there. And this shade here is pretty bold, so I'm just gonna dab a little bit just to give me a natural rosy lip. And then with my finger, you can leave the lip as it is, or you can go a little extra since we're doing a glowy look. And I'm actually gonna take the Pretty Vulgar, going back into the same highlight I used, taking a little bit with my finger so I can shimmer it up. All right, Charmers, so I popped into hair and got these effortless waves, and this is the final look. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Show us what looks you guys create using this month's box, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye, Charmers.